What's up, mechanics? Welcome back to episode 8 of Tool Tuesday here at the VIM Tools headquarters. It is 81 degrees. It's not that sunny.
No, not that sunny.
A little bit of clouds, but
we got what do we have today? We have a body shop ballers segment today.
This is for the
all
body
shop
boys.
items and one fun item.
Yep. Okay, no, but you gotta get down. All right, so we're gonna jump right into it because you guys have a very short attention span and you only watch for 5 minutes. You should stay. What? I can't say that.
Stop talking. Go.
Okay. Okay, so this is our BCRP1, our body clip removal pliers. These have a 2-part jaw. Okay, body clips were invented by the devil, and these are just, you know, to make it a little easier to remove them without damaging them. So this bottom jaw provides support, and you can lift the clip gently or rough if you want. And yeah, BCRP1. These are $42.20 on our website, and very useful. I've seen a video of somebody using these to remove all types of fittings because you can separate things like this. And I'm gonna leave that up to you guys to interpret that how you want, but maybe it has multiple uses. Next, the BCRP2, okay? So if you do break it, you can just clip them right off because they have these sharp edges in here. But these, apart from the other ones that are on the market right now, have this soft rubber back here. So if you are prying, you're not gonna scratch whatever painted surface you're working on if you are on a painted surface. So it's just a little added protection.
And also, you talk about that little space that has in between. If you don't want to completely cut them, you can pry off the actual part without cutting the entire thing off because of the space that's in between.
Yeah, you just go all the way onto it. And so, yep, green handle. BCRP2, this is $31.38. Okay, this one's very cool. This is the BCT1. These are for removing button style clips on evap lines, fuel lines. You might find these in a couple other places as well. But a lot of times, you know, if the car isn't brand new, this gets filled with gunk and grime, and it gets very hard to push. You can't use your hands. And usually, you have this same style tool, but with a long wire. It's like a hose clamp style plier. It's hard to store. It's big for no reason. With this, you can just use one hand, right? It swivels this way, swivels this way.
Spring-loaded jaws.
Spring-loaded, so you can really hold it any way you want, so that you can get right onto it just with your hands. Push down, and rip.
That easy.
Simple as that.
Now you find these type of connectors mostly on Asian make and model, smaller vehicles. That's really what they're on. So if you're a heavy duty guy, that's probably not the tool for you, but we have them.
And guess what? It's $33. We have a couple different versions of this coming out, so we'll have those later on.
All right, so I'm going to talk about these two things, and I'm going to use this because you can see it. I'm going to try to show you as much as possible on this camera. Right, this is our V387G, right, our telescoping hood prop, right? Whoops. All right, so it goes up, hood prop, pretty self-explanatory.
Can you put it to the side to show the length of it? Just cut out of the frame.
Length, right? I think they're 36 inches, maybe a little bit more. I forgot what they are. 48 maybe. But
48, yeah.
pretty easy to use, right? Come with rubber tips, high-vis green so you don't lose them in an engine bay. Pretty simple. We actually sell a lot of those, but we made a big brother version of it for you guys who have a couple other uses for it. Now, same concept where it telescopes up, but as you notice, it has this little hook here, right? This little hook. This guy is a V389, and the difference between that and the other one is that hook, and that hook is used for tailgate propping. So if you have a tailgate or a hatchback that you need to prop up, this tool allows you to extend, match up these two arrows so you know where you're going, right? Put the pin in, lock it in place, and now you have something that's over 6 feet to hold up a tailgate while you're replacing rear shocks, or if you have a rear battery to replace and you don't want to use a broomstick to hold the trunk up. This makes it a lot easier. And you don't have it falling on your head. It's a whole 250 pounds, so you should be good on that.
It's a 2-in-1.
It's a 2-in-1 essentially. And this one is going to run you $77.92, while the V387G, only the hood prop version, is going to run you $34.02, so $34 essentially.
And it's a high vis green.
So you don't leave them in the engine bay.
If you set it down in the engine bay, you're not gonna forget it. You're less likely to forget it.
What else do we got? I knocked my chair over, so I gotta figure this out now.
This is TW1. Okay, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-pack. It's a 6-pack of Tack weld magnets. Maybe you guys have seen something like this before, but these are a little different, okay? Because they're encased in aluminum, right? But there is about 1/1000th of an inch between the top of the aluminum case and the magnet. So this magnet never actually touches whatever panel you put it on. It's still very strong, but that eliminates the issue of whenever you go to store these things, you snap them together, they're not gonna shatter on you, okay? That's a huge problem with the other ones that are out there. It's also has a silicone casing around the outside that has our logo and the part number. It also gives you a little grip if you're trying to pull them off.
If you have grease on your hands, you try to pull off a strong magnet, it's most likely not gonna come off, so that's what that's for.
Yeah, this 6-pack is $50.13. But I'm gonna show you something over here. If you're in an awkward spot where you can't use clamps, or you're either using clamps or you're having someone else, a buddy, help you out and hold the panel in place for you, and then maybe it's not so straight and you get a crooked weld. With this, you can use them really in any spot because they're so small. You just snap them about 2 inches apart from each other. Okay, and it's very strong. So hold your panels in place. You can hit your tacks here, take them off, and hit your line, and you're good to go.
Bada boom, bada bing.
Bang. All right.
And now we have this guy right here, the race day seat. Popular, right? People like it. Full stool that collapsed down into a tiny little, I don't know what you'd call it, circle. And then you have this nice little shoulder strap for your designers, right? No, cool. But it's really portable. It's easy to carry. You can have it clipped on your backpack or anything for a race. If you're going to Disney with the kids, if you're just chilling in the shop trying to talk garbage with people, this is the way to go. Use this. Doesn't take up any space. And for all you wondering, how much does it hold? I'm not going to have Michael test it. I wouldn't do you like that. I'm going to have myself test it.
Jump up and down.
Not doing that. Real, easy, fashionable. Get out of my face.
Okay, hold on. Let me see it for a second. I'm a risk taker.
Do not.
Okay. What? I used this at an F1 race once, and obviously there's a lot of people. You have to look around them. Don't do this, okay? But I just want to show you how sturdy it is for what it is.
I'm not going to be able to reiterate that enough. Do not do this.
Okay, that's my full weight. All right, so it's not like you're sitting on it and you only have half your weight on there. I'm 200 pounds. That held my full weight.
Don't do that.
Just like that. And you can adjust it to multiple sizes. Boom. Your kid wants to use it? Bam.
We're talking fishing, hunting, races, like he said. I saw one at Disney. Clutch move. Waiting in line, that's the move to use.
Yeah, that's a good
right?
idea.
Think about it. Waiting in a 90-minute line at Disney with your kids screaming and stuff.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That is the way to go.
And it looks cool. It's got the VIM logo.
Sit your happy ass down and you enjoy the line. Watch some VIM Tool Tuesdays.
Yeah. Somebody had an issue warranting a product of ours from one of our distributors, and we're saying that the warranty process is trash. That's what they said. A disaster, actually. That is not the norm, okay? Our distributors are supposed to warranty products for you if you go directly to them. If you bought it from one of our distributors, that distributor is supposed to warranty it for you. And with the issue that this customer had, we reached out to the distributor, and we're going to fix that moving forward so that the issue doesn't happen.
And like I said,
again.
we're not a business to consumer company. And because we are doing some stuff on our website, that's why I did mention if you buy from our website, we will warranty it without any type of shipping fee. But the distributor who sells you the product is the one who's supposed to cover that cost for you to make sure you get your stuff free of charge. We just have our website available as a last resort if you somehow have no contact anymore with the person you bought it from.
And we're going to have more information on Tool 2's 12 Days of Christmas sale on our Instagram soon. So we'll post something about that, how you can take part in it. So follow us on Instagram.
And the 12th day is a pretty cool giveaway. It's not tool related, but I think you're going to like it.
A lucky one of you is going to have Louis come visit you at your house.
I'm not doing that. I'm not.
Okay. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, follow us on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on.
I like your shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. 5-0 back at it, boy.
I wore my Mustang shirt on purpose because he made fun of me in episode 6.
Mr. 5-0. Wait
So-
till we get to episode 5-0. It's going to be a shit show.
Oh, 5-0. Maybe we'll do like a special edition.
Where
bring
we
out
just
the VIM
roast
Mustang.
Michael. Get him ready. Just roast him. Dig into him. Burn him.
Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you very much and stay tuned. Peace.
Thanks, guys.